Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the mobilemechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point, working on a Chevy Equinox. This goes for the most modern vehicles. Most modern vehicles, you're not going to be able to see the battery. This one's particularly buried up under the computer. But if you want to jump the vehicle, all you have to do is find the cap that looks like this. It might be on the other side. You just take that off and you put the positive on the positive. You find a negative, which I'm going to put right here. It has a bolt. This will click, and then we come to the car and see if we can start it up. Voila. With that being said, this tool, I'm trying to get it out, will be in the description of the video. All you have to do is find our store in the description, click on it, and you get to see all the items that I use for everyday usage for beginners and jumper. And also this jumper is actually really good because during emergencies, power outages, you can actually charge up your phone. And it's small, it's compact, and it goes inside of a small case. It looks like this. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. If you found any value of this video any shape from away, all you have to do is hit that super thanks button, and when you hit the super thanks button, we put it into an account and we help people who sometimes come short on their repairs or just can't afford it altogether. So we actually take the money and give it right back. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.